Hello dear GATE candidates. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. I am here to inform you about a job opportunity through GATE 2024. The Coal India Limited has released this advertisement regarding the recruitment of management trainees based on GATE 2024. The Coal India Limited is a Schedule A Maharatna public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Coal, Government of India, and is the single largest coal producing company in the world. And CAL contributes around 79% of the total coal production in India. Then they have mentioned that CAL is transforming from a single product to a multifarious business organization in the coming years. And to achieve this vision, CAL invites application from young, energetic and dynamic persons for recruitment through online application mode only for the post of management trainee in E2 grade based on GATE 2024 scores. And they invites applications in disciplines mining, civil, electrical, mechanical, system and electronics and telecommunication. Then when we consider the discipline mining, total 263 number of vacancies are present. For civil, 91 number of vacancies are present. For electrical, 102 number of vacancies are present. For mechanical, 104 number of vacancies are present. For system, 41 number of vacancies are present, and for electronics and telecommunication, 39 number of vacancies are present. So, a subtotal of 640 number of vacancies are present. Then the corresponding GATE paper codes are also mentioned here. You can go through it. Then the window for online application has already opened on 29th October 2024 and the last date of online submission of application is 28th November 2024. Then the detailed instructions regarding this recruitment is available in Coal India's website www.coalindia.in. Then about qualification and eligibility criteria, they have mentioned that for the discipline mining, the minimum qualification required is degree in mining engineering with a minimum of 60% marks. Then for disciplines civil, electrical and mechanical, the minimum qualification required is degree in the relevant branch of engineering with a minimum of 60% marks. Then for discipline system, the minimum qualification required is recognized first class degree in BE or BTech or BSc engineering, in computer science or computer engineering or IT, or any first class degree with MCA. Then for electronics and telecommunication, the minimum educational qualification required is BE or BTech or BSc engineering in relevant branch of engineering with minimum 60% marks. Then they have mentioned that the BE or BTech or BSc engineering or MCA must be from university or institute recognized by appropriate statutory authority in India and should be regular full-time course. Then the minimum qualifying marks for general unreserved, OBC non-creamy layer and economically weaker sections category candidates are 60%. And for SC, ST and persons with benchmark disability candidates, relaxation of 5% is given in the minimum qualifying marks, that is 55%. Then in case of CGPA or GPA, conversion in percentage certificate issued by university or institute should be attached without fail. Then about final year candidates, they have mentioned that the candidates who are currently studying in the final semester or year or tri-semester of session 2023-24 of minimum required qualification and having a valid GATE 2024 score are eligible to apply. However, they have to submit the final pass results of minimum required qualification before final selection or during document verification, and failing which their candidature will be rejected for the applied post or discipline without any further communication to them. Then they have also mentioned that the candidate must clear all subjects of final year or semester or tri-semester, whichever is applicable in the academic year 2023-24 in single attempt and should have cleared all previous years or semesters or tri-semesters as on the date of declaration of final results. Then apart from the other required documents, the candidates of final year or semester or tri-semester in the academic year 2023-24 will have to upload their latest year or semester or tri-semester mark sheet or marks transcript of relevant minimum educational qualification. Then when we consider the civil discipline, only civil engineering candidates can apply. Then the branches which are eligible to apply under electrical are electrical, electrical and electronics engineering and electronics and electrical engineering. Then only mechanical engineering candidates are eligible to apply under mechanical. Then the branches which are eligible to apply under the discipline electronics and telecommunication are electronics and telecommunication and electronics and communication. Then the branches which are not eligible are also mentioned here. You can go through it. Then the total number of vacancies and the vacancies reserved for different reservation categories are mentioned in this table. You can go through it. Then about selection process, they have mentioned that based on the GATE 2024 scores or marks and requirement, the candidates will be shortlisted discipline wise and category wise in the ratio of 1:3 in order of merit for further selection process. Then the final merit list will be prepared for each discipline on the basis of GATE 2024 scores or marks. Then they have mentioned that GATE scores or marks of GATE 2024 will only be valid and the scores prior to or after GATE 2024 is not valid for this recruitment activity and hence will not be considered. Then the candidates working with government or PSUs or autonomous bodies have to submit NOC or proper receipted copy of application to employer seeking NOC to be attached while filling online application form. And if any candidate joins government or PSUs or autonomous bodies after filling the online application form, such candidates along with those who have submitted proper receipted copy of application to employer seeking NOC have to submit proper NOC at the time of document verification. Then the final list of selected candidates against the vacancies will be uploaded on the Coal India's website only, and these candidates will be intimated about document verification and initial medical examination on Coal India's website and also on their registered email ID only. Then the offer of appointment will be issued only after successful completion of document verification and initial medical examination and submission of relieving letter from present employer if working in government sector or PSUs or autonomous body. Then about application fee, they have mentioned that the candidates belonging to general unreserved, OBC creamy layer and non-creamy layer and EWS category are required to pay an application fee of Rs 1180 and SC, ST, PWBD and employees of Coal India Limited and its subsidiaries are exempted from payment of application fee. Then you need to pay the application fee online. Then about upper age limit, they have mentioned that the upper age limit is 30 years as on 30th September 2024 for general, unreserved and EWS category candidates. Then age relaxation is present for different reservation categories. The details are mentioned here, you can go through it. Then they have mentioned that the upper age limit is relaxed subject to the condition that maximum age of the applicant on the crucial date, that is 30th September 2024, shall not exceed 56 years. Then if you belongs to a reservation category, you need to produce a valid certificate to prove your caste and category. And all other details regarding reservation are mentioned here, you can go through it. Then about compensation and pay, they have mentioned that the selected candidates will be placed as management trainee in E2 grade in the scale of pay of Rs 50,000 to 1,60,000 at the initial basic of 50,000 per month during the training period. And on successful and satisfactory completion of 1 year training period and passing the test conducted for the purpose, regularization will be in E3 grade in the scale of pay of Rs 60,000 to 1,80,000 at the initial basic of Rs 60,000 with probation for 1 year if not extended. Then in addition to this salary, you will get DA, HRA and other benefits mentioned here. You can go through it. Then about posting, they have mentioned that the candidates may be posted anywhere in subsidiary companies including coalfield areas. So only those candidates who are willing to serve anywhere in India need to apply. However, the candidates will be required to submit 3 preference or choice for posting, but the final posting will be as per the availability of vacancy and decision of CAL management in this regard will be final and binding. Then you need to sign a service agreement bond. The appointed candidates are required to serve the company for a minimum period of 60 months from the date of joining the company. The candidates will be required to execute a service agreement bond of rupees 3 lakhs as applicable for the same at the time of joining. And they have mentioned that a deduction of rupees 5,000 per month from the salary will be done towards this bond money, which will be refunded without interest after successful completion of 60 months of service. Then they have mentioned that before appointment, the selected candidates will have to undergo initial medical examination by the company's medical committee as per the medical attendance rules of the company. And to get idea about this medical attendance rules of the company, you can visit Coal India's website. Then you need to apply online through website www.coalindia.in under Career with CAL and then Jobs at Coal India section. Then they have mentioned that while applying online, the candidates need to upload the self-attested copies of the documents mentioned here. You can go through it. Then the general information and instructions to the candidates are mentioned here. You can go through it. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this channel.